integrated ProjectWise design integration server with the OpenRail Designer, you can easily to define your DGN file format with different application. So even it is the same file format, but now you can easily to define which is the OpenRail, which is old PowerRail track, or which is microstation only. And besides, you can also click to the dependency viewer to see the reference between the rail design and also with the other reference model as well. So in this case, while we open, we can just simply open or open with because we already select the OpenRail Designer. So I just click OpenRail Designer to start. So while it starts, it will also call the reference to copy out to the local drive to start for the editing. And then in the same times, if it is a managed workspace, you can see the related workspace will be copied out to the server as well. So all the design standard, the symbology, and drawing configuration will also copy by the centralized ProjectWise design integration server. So the workspace will be checked for update. So in the first time, they will download the entire workspace, but for the next time, they will just change to the Delta file transfer only. So now we can open and start the design with OpenRail Designer here. So now we can design with the OpenRail Designer here. So in design in OpenRail Designer, now all the related library is related to the ProjectWise. So for example, I will start to do the corridor here. So I will add my template. So I can just go back to the create template here. And then we can go to open. And then I can go back to the ProjectWise to get my project template. So for example, I want to do this double track box. So I just click OK and create my corridor by myself. So I just click OK, accept the profile, just click accept. And then with the integrated models, I can now easy to drop the template drop here. So I can just simply select the related. You can see it is in the ProjectWise path. So I just accept it and I can snap to the model itself here. So just easy to snap it and to the end. Just click accept. So afterward, it will create a model for me here. So the tunnel can be easy to create. And then if I want to do the other track, so I just click to the point control. So simply add the create point control. So just locate corridor. And then just select back the horizontals. So I just set it is horizontal, and then you will have the linear geometry as point control. So I just start from the end. Again, you have a different point. In this case, I will select the LT center point. So just click again, accept it. So it will also working for the, and then select the alignment I want, accept. So it will generate the point control for the corridor here. So of course, with the integrated with the reference beam model in ProjectWise, now you can go inside the tunnels wheel, and then of course, again, you can go through from the tunnels to the building beam models. Now that already work together, so you can approve it. So it is a rather easy case to do it. So after we finish the design here, so you can update the server copies to keep on opening the files, or just close to upgrade to input back the files. So in this case, I just click close here. And then you can see it will check in all the related template. So you can check in the template, or you can create a new version for it. For example, here I just simply to check in as no override the related function, so it will complete back, check in back all the files back. With the data file transfer, it will be very quick to going back. Then it will synchronize back all the files here. And then you can open another workspace. If you go to the ProjectWise, you will see it will update it. The file will be updated. If you want to change the status, so you can go to change state to next state. So if I want to set to state ready for review, so after I click ready for review, it can be changed to a different state, and then it can trigger the ProjectWise messenger to send out the message to the others. And also, if you want to send it back to the external parties, you can also leverage the deliverable management here. So it will go back to the deliverable management, and then deliverable management will help you to send out for the review for the external party here. So you can easily say, for example, I will change it for review, and then for BRM review, then you can send it out, and then you can have the different recipient, document scheduling, and audit trail as well. It's all about the integration with ProjectWise here.